Situated almost exactly in the middle of Germany is the Eichsfeld region. Not particularly affluent, hardly any industry. A pleasant hilly landscape with a few villages and a few small old towns like Duderstadt. For hundreds of years, this small region belonged to the distant Archbishopric of Mainz. But in 1815, when the church lands were secularized, the region was divided by the administrative border between two provinces. In 1945, this border became the dividing line between the British and Soviet zones of occupation. Today, the border between the Federal Republic and the GDR. In the small town of Duderstadt, near Göttingen, this frontier, which separates Germans from Germans, has become a little more permeable in the years since 1973. Since then, here and in a few other places, what's known as local frontier traffic has been allowed, so the people from both parts of Eichsfeld can visit each other again. This has come about thanks to the efforts of a succession of federal governments towards facilitating travel between the two German states. The latest improvement in this direction now allows the inhabitants of Hamburg and Kiel to enjoy the benefits of local frontier traffic. Celebrating a First Communion in Duderstadt. Relatives from the GDR are taking part because family ties are strong even after 44 years of enforced separation. We visited the Linz family in Gerblingerode, a village right on the border.
I come from the GDR, about 20 kilometers beyond the border, near Mühlhausen.
How often can you make use of local border traffic arrangements?
Well, I could come here for 60 days a year, so I make use of it when the situation arises, as with this family celebration.
Do you have relatives over the border?
Yes, lots of them.
And have you been over there?
Yes, with my mother, often.
The 9 million people in the Federal Republic who live near the border are allowed to visit the GDR for 1 or 2 days, up to 60 times a year. The GDR, on the other hand, has in the past given permission to visit the West more or less only to pensioners. Nevertheless, in years of negotiations, the local border traffic has been extended step by step, helping to alleviate the consequences of the division of Germany for those directly affected.